The petitioner is a lady of 47 years and his husband is about 58 years. They wanted to avail the ART technology so that they can have the IVF, the children through IVF. However, since the age of the husband of the petitioner is beyond the permissible limit as per the ART Act, because since he is 58 years, so that is why, I have the petitioner is prayed for, the kindly leave, so that they can go for IVF, and to that effect, your lord,
Show me the law once.
the
The age. Who is opposing? Is anybody opposing?
My lord, so far the last order is concerned. If his lordship takes the last order, my lord, everything has been argued at length.
Respondent number 4 was directed to file a report.
Yes, madam. This is the report, madam.
Yes, please. Who is the respondent number 4?
Respondent number 4 is the madam.
Respondent number 4 is the
IVF clinic.
IVF clinic
IVF
to whom we have approached, PHS
is-
fertility clinic,
as to whether the petitioner will be able to avail of the assisted
Report.
reproductive technology by borrowing the ovary and sperm from a bank.
বইটা দিলাম বইটা
Whether she can hold the embryo when the USG of the pelvis TVS reported a small. Acha. State respondent was also directed to file a report.
But so far this report is concerned, my lord, the statement of facts has been sent to me instead of report.
If that suffices the purpose, then
Yes,
it's all. Let me see.
Yes, yes.
When both the ovary and sperm are born have a third. Let me see your report.
Madam.
The premise of seeking this report, my lord, was the last USG report of the present petitioner. In that report, it was shown the uterus size was small. However, she was undergoing the treatment, and now the present report is there. At a copy there.
আমাদের তো একটাই কপি আছে তো
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
আমি জেরক্স করে দিয়ে দেবো
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ও আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ পেয়ে গেছি
kindly see the impression of normal uterus presently one uterus is normal.
So the doctor says currently she is
capable of
fit to hold the
Child.
to go in for the conception.
my lord.
Uterus can hold the embryo as per the TVS report. Show me your.
My instruction is
So far the report for the state respondent is concerned, that was only on the ground whether the present condition will be attracted under 21.
Next that document, my lord. The age factor of the husband is, my lord, above.
Madam,
That has been marked. my lord.
Sorry. এটা সুদর্শন মনে লড়াইটা বের পুরো চেঞ্জ করলি কেন আমি তো করেছিস এটা এটা একটা এটা এটা শুনছি দেখো আরেকটা যেটা
The woman is below the age of 50.
yes.
As to the man, above the age of 21, below the age of 55. The person is 58.
Person is 58.
Then how do you overcome this?
This factor has been considered by this Honorable High Court, my lord. And my lord, in Honorable Justice Shobhashashi Bhattacharya, my lord, there are two judgments absolutely pat on this point, my lord. Your lordship kindly sees, my lord, the ratio of the judgment was that your lordship kindly once take the act, my lord. But I have given your lordship the act. Your lordship will find, if I may take your lordship to section 21.
Yes, section 21.
21G, my lord. If your lordship kindly comes to 21G, your lordship will find
Yes.
that the clinic shall apply the assisted reproductive technology service to a woman above the age of 21 years and below the 50 years, to a man above the age of 21 years and below the age of 55 years. Now, my lord, I will also request your lordship to come to the definition of, my lord, commissioning couple. Your lordship will find the definition in section 2E. Commissioning couple means an infertile married couple who approach an assisted reproductive technology clinic or assisted reproductive technology bank for obtaining the service authorized of the said clinic or bank. So now, my lord, as the
and isn't there any age of the couple
no,
mentioned
separately? That is, my lord, the judgment. If your lordship kindly sees the judgment, that Honorable Justice Bhattacharya has clarified.
Which portion do I see?
My lord, from paragraph 2, if I may read, my lord, learned counsel for the petitioner.
No, don't go through all these things. Show me the
very well, my lord. The penultimate thing is, my lord, page number 7.
Yes.
Paragraph 31. There are four findings of the Honorable Justice Bhattacharya. Thus read, the bar available 21G clauses shall be read as follows. If a commissioning couple approaches a clinic or bank for assisted reproductive technology services, no upper age limit restrictions will be applicable. And my lord, to them, unless both spouses of the commissioning couple are debarred, unless both the, since here, my lord, I am covered by this number 1 only. Since, my lord, I am the petitioner is not barred because petitioner's age is well within the limit. The second one is if the event either of the couples qualify in the respect of the age limit as stipulated in section 21G, he or she can approach the clinic to have the assisted reproductive technology services, irrespective of the fact that he or she is a constituent of a commissioning couple and her spouse is not eligible, not age-wise. So, not this judgment has clarified the present section that since I am within a commissioning couple, unless this particular section 21G is only applicable if a woman which is unmarried and singly approach before the Milord for taking the ART technology, but not as a commissioning couple. When the couple themselves approaches, Milord, because in this case, the present petitioner will also take the oocyte from a donor, as well as the Milord, the husband is also an agiospermic, so he also have to take a donor, and that is why, my lord, this act will not bar. To that effect, also there is a second judgment which also my lord, passed by Honorable Justice Sabyasachi Bhattacharya. In that case, in this exact similar thing of this case is there, where, my lord, paragraph 10, if I may, page number 3, paragraph 10.
Mm-hmm.
10 onwards. May I read, my lord? It says, thus it is evident that the petitioner number 2, upon obtaining ovum from a donor as well as a gamete from another donor, is capable of giving birth to a baby by the process of IVF, which comes within the purview of the 2021 Act. A comprehensive reading of the said Act shows that the statute nowhere prevents both the spouses from taking resort to assistive reproductive technology under the Act, in the event both of them are incapable of bearing ovum and gamete respectively. But this present case squarely comes under this judgment. Squarely covers. And the present petitioner's health condition has also improved after the treatment, and her uterus as present is capable of holding a baby. So that is why, my lord, I am earnestly, my lord, praying for your lordship's mercy, so that, my lord, they can have the blessings, my lord, through IVF.
Yes.
My lord,
if His Lordship takes my report once, my lord, central government notification, if Lordship takes that, my lord, central government has, my lord, kindly takes that, will get it, my lord, 31st of March 2023.
তারপর হয়ে গেছে এটা।
Your notification, the first page is not there.
The second portion, Lordship, yes, the second part is that at the behind page, my lord, I am directed to draw attention to the above noted subject and to say that the reasons for prescribing age limits under section 21G of the ART Regulations Act 21 for application of ART services are enumerated in Annexure 1 enclosed herewith. All are requested to give it wider publicity in public interest. So 21G, my lord, even the central government also, my lord, has been well aware of with regard to this 21G. That is the reason this age limit has been prepared. Now, my lord, the next page, my lord, Lordship will find the reasons why this 21G, my lord, the reasons, my lord, kindly takes once, my lord, that Annexure 1, my lord.
আমাদের একটা copy দাও না। দাদা
আরে দূর একটাই copy আছে।
Yes.
Lord, kindly takes, my lord, the reasons for prescribing age limit under so and so application so and so. Bringing up a child at least up to 18 years to take care of the responsibility to provide care and financial support when the child is growing up needs parents with reasonable good health status and able to be financially stable. Next is most important factor which justifies the upper age limit is the life expectancy in India, which is around 70 years. For all rules about ART, the desire to help the infertile couples is important, but more important is the child to be brought into this world is loved, cared for, and gets the best option and should get all family care and family life similar to any average child born to a biological parents, which within the reclaims of normal biology. So central government has well, my lord, within this domain of this age limit, my lord, set out these criteria. In the process of fulfilling the desire of a couple to become parents, the rights to urban child, unborn child, stroke child brought in this world by ART should not be neglected. The life available to the child should have similar
Yes, I have read it.
Lordship.
Tell me one thing. The husband is going to
He is 58.
donate your husband involvement over here, my lord, that is the crux of the case. There is no involvement of the sperm of the husband.
he is going to
He
take
is
it from
also going,
outside.
yes, my lord. And my lord, this Paraguay is, my lord, this particular contention, which is my learned senior, is it has been taken considered, my lord, also in Sudarshan Mandal's judgment. My lord, your lordship.
No, tell me
Yes, madam.
factually, this lady is going to obtain the ovum
side?
from somewhere else,
Yes.
from some
Bank,
other lady,
yes.
from the bank,
Bank.
and the husband also
Yes,
from
yes,
the
my
bank,
lord. Yes, my lord.
and it will be reproduced in the ovum
in the
of the lady.
in the ovary of the lady. Yes, yes,
This is the
yes,
thing.
yes, yes. And that is why, my lord, 21G will not be attracted, because 21G only considers when either of the spouse.
What does this lady do?
The lady, my lord, lady is a housewife.
Financially, the husband
But
financially
my lord,
stable.
he is well to do, my lord. He is I mean, serving.
Financially stable,
Yes, my lord, absolutely stable.
because financial stability
Yes, my
is
lord.
one of
It has been
the
mentioned.
factors that has been mentioned.
Let me check. Okay.
Financially stable.
Yes, my lord. He is financially. He is also here, my lord. He is financially stable to take care of the situation, because otherwise,
Yes.
my lord, this costs huge costs, my lord.
Yes.
Otherwise, my lord, it
Very
is not
cost
possible.
effective.
Yes, my lord.
So the parties are financially
Yes,
well off to take care of
Yes, my
this.
lord. Yes, my lord. That is there, my lord.
I'll just go through the papers and come back with an order on Friday.